In this video, I'll show you how to control camera movement in Kling AI and create more professional-looking AI videos. First, open Kling AI and start a new video generation. Before writing your prompt, decide how you want the camera to move throughout the scene. Camera movement is important because it can change the mood, focus, and overall cinematic feel of your video. Start by describing the type of camera movement you want. For example, you can use a slow zoom in to gradually focus on your subject, or a zoom out to reveal more of the environment. You can also describe a tracking shot where the camera smoothly follows a moving person, car, or other subject. For a side-to-side movement, describe a camera pan. For a vertical movement, you can describe the camera tilting upward or downward. If you want the camera to move closer to the subject, you can use a slow push-in. For a wider cinematic view, you can ask for a smooth pullback or wide establishing shot. When writing your prompt, connect the camera movement with the action. For example, you could write, "A man walks slowly through a rainy city street while the camera smoothly tracks beside him." This gives Kling AI a clear relationship between the subject's movement and the camera movement. After writing your prompt, generate the video and preview the result. Check whether the camera follows your instruction and whether the movement looks smooth and natural. If the camera moves too quickly or behaves unexpectedly, simplify the instruction. Try describing one main camera movement instead of combining several movements together. You can also experiment with different camera movements to create different moods. Slow movements can feel cinematic and dramatic, while faster movements can work well for action scenes. For the best results, keep your camera instructions clear, simple, and connected to the scene. And that's how you can control camera movement in Kling AI and create smoother, more cinematic AI videos.